I'm _JujuP, and I create influence in beauty and lifestyle. So today is vlogmas day. Shit, what day is it? 11, 12. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, join my family, comment, let me know you're new so I can show you some love back or whatever, you know. If you are not new to my channel, then you already know what's up, what's going on. It's vlogmas day 12, and I'm over here giving y'all some content. So today's gonna be a very chill day, more like a shop with me type of thing. I am out. I left Greg with the baby. He wasn't feeling too good, so I said, okay, fine, stay at home. You know, I need some daylight. I need to step out and just, you know, get a few things that I need to get. So that's what I'm doing. I have a few places I need to stop at. I'm thinking of going to Dollar Tree. I do also want to get like fresh pressed natural juice. My body has been craving like fresh juice, like orange, beet, carrot, all of that, like veggies and fruits, citrus. I need that, and I've been too lazy to make it, but I'm gonna buy one. But I am gonna buy some fruits as well because I need to make some at home. I don't know why I didn't come to Family Dollar sooner, but I found these, and I have some wrapping paper. I found this. It's a little bit wider than what I want, but I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I only found one, so. And I'm looking at these flowers here, but someone was sneaky. Look, they took off all the flowers on this one. Fuckers. I don't know why they didn't just take the whole batch. I don't really like these, but I got more than what I expected from here. I'm gonna keep looking around, and then I'll show you guys what else I got. I actually ditched the red, and I found some orange ones. I think these will look even better because they're not as transparent as the red one is. This one has more of a pop to it, so we're gonna go with the orange. A whole bunch of vegetables and fruit, so I'm gonna make some juice. I have oranges here, ginger, carrots, beets, pineapple, kale. This is for a soup. I got some squash, and those are avocados. I got apples, spinach, banana. But for the juice, I'm only gonna use beets, pineapple, kale, orange, apples, ginger, and carrot. Yeah, so I'm proceeding to, I don't even know, honestly. I'm probably just gonna go find more decoration. This is bad. Yes. Yes. Oh shit. I'm always dropping stuff in stores. Yes. Ooh, I like these better. You got these little things. Okay. I honestly don't know who told me to go in there and spend so much money. I really don't know who told me to go in there and do that. So I'm at Home Depot. Now you're probably wondering, what the hell do you need at Home Depot? Definitely not another Christmas tree. However, I do want to get a plant for our room just to give it more of a fresh scent in the room. So that's what I'm here for. But they do have some trees here. One day we'll get a fresh tree, maybe.
You could give this to someone special if you want. Hi, it's Sherry on Pixie 96.5. Thank you so much for listening to the Christmas station.
Ooh, oh my gosh, I would love something like this when I get a house. Hopefully, somewhere nice and sunny. I love that. $3.29. Damn. Definitely has to be a plant that can stay in a room and doesn't need so much sunlight. How fire is this? This definitely belongs outside. Y'all, this is the actual palm tree that I wanted to get for the patio. However, I chose not to get it because this is a poisonous palm tree. Like, if you eat anything, consume anything from there, you're dying. So I obviously didn't get it because I have a baby that I have to be mindful about that loves to play with my plants and stuff. So I didn't get it, but that's the one that I actually wanted. I think it's so tropical and it's giving what it's supposed to. Let me know in the comment section if you think it's ugly or not. I'm looking for the specific plant and I don't really see it. I don't know the name of it. I should have probably gotten the name when I saw it before. Are you a plant mom? Let me know in the comments section what plants you own. I'm just getting started and could definitely use some advice and recommendations. How freaking cool. Ooh. If I had a house, I would definitely buy stuff like that. But, you know, being in a military family and having to move often, that wouldn't be a good idea. Oh my gosh, look, y'all. They really have fruits. It's grapefruit, lime, or oranges. So awesome. I can't believe stuff like this excites me. I've become my mom. I found it, y'all. But they're so tiny. It's this one. Sunshine Lirata. That's the name of it. I kind of wanted a bigger one. This is actually the little one that traveled with me from Maryland to California. This is how it gets. It's been through it though. Let's see if I can find a bigger one. Nope, they only have the little tiny one. I think I'm going to take it. Let's see. Maybe I can just get like a tall stand for it, because I want it to be in the corner but like up high. I got my plant. All right, so you've reached the end of Vlogmas Day 12. I am exhausted. I literally sat through editing both Vlogmas Day 11 and 12 all today at once. All of my hard work will pay off. I just need you to subscribe. That's all I need you to do, and let me do all the hard work. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share these videos. Bye.